Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and the country and the time zone that you're watching this video. Welcome guys to It's Akaliche Vlogs. It's Akaliche Vlogs on YouTube channel, guys. Welcome, and I really appreciate, guys. I really thank you guys for making this girl shine. So today, guys, I have something exciting for you guys, and I decided to share it with you. So if you ever wanted to see my behind the scene, to see how I do my videos behind the scene, to have those good videos, the one that I post, they're good, they're not bad. But if you want to see the behind, how scripted are being done, please, I have something exciting for you. How you can access the behind the scene looks. So just wait to support what I do here. This is for you guys. So today I'm introducing YouTube channel membership, and in this video I'll be breaking down exactly what you get, why it's worth it, and how you can join the membership, guys, please. So what exactly is YouTube channel membership? It's the way you support the channel directly with a small monthly contribution, and in return you unlock a ton of awesome pics. Is it pics or pecs? Awesome pics, guys. So think of it like a subscription that helps keep the content flowing while giving you exclusive benefits not available to regular viewers. Yeah, something special for you behind the scene, guys. And it's completely optional. It is optional. It's not a must. It's not by force. It's just optional, guys. So but if you love what we are building here, it's the best way to show support and to get something extra in return. That extra thing in return is behind the scene, special things, spicy things. So I have set up the 3 membership levels, so you can choose what works best for you. Yeah, what works best for you. So loyalty badges next to your name in a comment or in a live chat. Yeah, loyalty badges beside your name in a comment or in a live chat, and then custom emoji to use during live stream, and then access to members only community posts. I have your only post, my members, your only post. Yeah, and then everything from level 1, all access to the videos. There's those videos before I make them public. Members only will have to view them to enjoy the videos before I put them public. Yeah, and then behind the scene content, you see how I struggle to do this. You see how I struggle to do this, guys. You'll be seeing how I struggle to do this before I edit, before I remove any dirty, any something. As long as it's under YouTube rules, I'll have to post to you first, so you can laugh, you can talk behind the scene to me and say, oh, it's Akaliche. Oh, that's what you go through. Okay. So, and then exclude polls to help shape the content, to make the content strong, to make the content viral. So monthly members only live stream or Q&A. Yeah, for only members, we'll have only members live stream only members. As I said before putting the video public, only members public, only members video, only members live stream, only members Q&A members only, and shout out in videos. Yeah, in videos. I think in even live streams, but in videos. Yeah, I'll be, is it calling out for normal English, or I just use shout out to in my videos. And also we will have to show a preview of an upcoming video. Yeah, in membership I will have the preview of upcoming video. So my membership or your membership will help me to stay independent, improve the videos quality, post more consistently, and try out bigger projects I otherwise could not afford. Yeah, I think that's the main reason for membership. It also lets me give back to the most loyal fans. Yeah, it helped me to give back to those who are loyal to me, those loyal fans. Every dollar you contribute goes right back into making this channel better. Yeah, guys, every dollar you'll be contributing is just back to the channel to make this channel better. So here is how you become a member. How do you become a member? Here is what you do. Just click the blue join button right below this video, or on my channel homepage. Yeah, you'll find that. Is it circle? That's not circle. Is it oval? There's a circle there. Join in blue, in white, or in black. Just click that, guys. You'll see the list of ties. Pick the one that fits you best, and boom, you are in. Just clicking that blue circle there with white, written in white, join. Others, I think, in black. Boom, you are in. You will instantly unlock all the packs for your level, and you'll see on the other side with the members only updates. So when you click on that button, boom, you are in. Imagine just like that, guys. You'll be in, and then you'll see the packs of your level, and on the other side, membership only updates. So thank you so much for considering becoming a member. Whether you decide to join or just keep watching and supporting the channel the way you already do, it means the world to me. Imagine, that's it, guys. That's it. So thank you so much for considering becoming a member. Whether you decide to join, guys, or just to keep watching and support the channel the way you are already doing, guys, it truly means world to me. Whichever way you choose to watch, to like, to leave a comment, it truly means world to me. Till next time, guys, take care, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Is it like this? Love you, guys. Love you. Love you, guys. Bye bye.